A warm welcome to everyone. The conventional steering system used in cars generally have a bulky rack and pinion mechanism which causes wear and tear of steering system. A rack and pinion gear set is enclosed in a metal tube with each end of the rack protruding from the tube. A tie rod connects to the end of the rack. The pinion gear is attached to the steering shaft. When you turn the steering wheel, the gear spins, moving the rack. The tie rod at the end of each rack connects to the steering arm on the spindle. A steer-by-wire system aims to eliminate the physical connection between steering wheel and wheels of the car by using electrically controlled motors to change the direction of wheel and to provide the feedback to the driver. There is a big shift from mechanical systems to electrical systems, and steer-by-wire is an implementation that is very promising in terms of safety and functionality. In this work, the problems encountered by the conventional systems are addressed, and the design of vehicle steer-by-wire is proposed to make it cost efficient, durable, more comfortable, and to provide better safety. Furthermore, to ensure the driver safety, a breath analyzer is integrated in the system which controls the driving speed depending on the level of the alcohol consumed. This work, we were able to establish a wireless connection between steering and automobile wheels. By implementing steer-by-wire system, we were successfully able to eliminate rack and pinion which causes wear and tear of mechanical linkage and unnecessary weight. Further, by using MyReview, we will be able to integrate numerous sensors and protocol with ease. We are also able to control the speed of vehicle by detecting the amount of alcohol consumed by the driver. Moreover, the steer-by-wire system not only creates free space in the engine compartment by eliminating the steering shaft, but it would also reduce the amount of vibration felt in the car and create much safer environment for driver. This project describes a control method for steer-by-wire system according to the requirements of vehicle steering functions and the control systems. The system also have successfully demonstrated the ability to detect and identify alcohol consumption. The proposed control scheme have been implemented and tested with greater accuracy. The resultant system provides adjustable active steering wheel with adjustable wheel rate, quick and accurate road wheel angle tracking based on driver's input, and variable steering ratio. Now we shall go to the demo of intelligent steering system.
The experimental setup consists of NI Myrio and MQ3 alcohol sensor mounted on a steering wheel of the car. The NI Myrio is programmed using graphical user interface. The digital outputs of NI Myrio is passed on the general DC motor with the help of L298 motor driver, which can drive up to 2 amperes of current. The proof of concept is implemented on a 4-wheeled assembled car. The power source of the DC motor uses NIMH 2000 mAh battery. The steering wheel is free to turn up to 90 degrees to the left and 90 degrees to the right. This region is divided into 16 parts of 11.25 degrees each. For each 11.25 degrees, the count is incremented by 1 and the digital bits are transferred to the motor, allowing the wheel to rotate accordingly. When the steering is turned towards the right, the bits are transferred accordingly, making the car to turn towards the right. Likewise, when the steering wheel is rotated 90 degrees towards the left, the wheels also rotate towards the left. The next part of the project allows the speed control of the vehicle based on the amount of alcohol consumed by the driver. To achieve this, 3 ranges of alcohol consumption is implemented. When the driver has consumed alcohol of 90% or above, the vehicle is forcefully allowed to stop. When the driver has consumed 50 to 90% of alcohol, then the car is forced to run in 50% of the speed. Similarly, if the driver has consumed less than 50% of alcohol and it is more than 10%, the maximum speed is slightly increased as compared to the earlier case. Anything less than 50% and more than 10%, the maximum speed is slightly increased as compared to the earlier case. If the range between 0 to 10% is kept as tolerance due to air fresheners or any other odor kept in the car. Speed complete control of the DC motor allows the algorithm developed to send PWM signals continuously. The experimental prototype achieves greater accuracy, thereby allowing the next generation cars to replace conventional rack and pinion mechanism by the intelligent steering wheel developed. The GUI developed allows to convert it into C program, and NI Myrio can be used as a standalone mode. The NI Myrio allows the developers or engineers to interface as many as 40 digital sensors and 12 analog sensors to it, giving a scope for future enhancement. We thank VTU for selecting our project to the final round and providing an opportunity to exhibit our talent in front of eminent professors and engineers from industry. We also thank our institution and our guide for their constant support. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.